Hello, this video is explaining diffusion. Diffusion is the net movement of molecules from high concentration to a low concentration through a partially permeable membrane. Let's examine what the movement is caused by. First of all, the circles represent small molecules. These could be substances such as glucose or amino acids from your digestive system, or O2 and CO2 from gas exchange. All of these molecules have kinetic energy. This means they are moving. The molecules will be able to pass through the spaces in the partially permeable membrane both ways. Now, if the molecules were large, then they wouldn't be able to pass through the gaps, so it's only small molecules. As most of the molecules go in one direction, we call this the net movement of molecules. This process does not require any added energy, because the molecules already have enough energy to move from the high concentration side to the low concentration side. So this process is passive, which means no extra energy is required. There are more molecules on the left-hand side of the diagram than there are on the right. This means that the molecules will move from the area on the left, which has a higher concentration, to the area on the right, which is at a low concentration. This will continue until an equilibrium has been reached. An equilibrium simply means that both sides have approximately the same concentration of molecules on either side. Factors that cause reaching an equilibrium to happen faster, or the diffusion to happen faster, include increasing the temperature of the substance. By increasing the temperature, you give the molecules more kinetic energy, so they're able to move faster, and they will move from one side to the other in a shorter space of time. The second factor is by increasing the concentration difference. If one side is much lower or one side is much higher, then the gradient between the two, or the difference, will be much more dramatic, and the substance will diffuse through the membrane much quicker. You can imagine this like there being a hill. If the hill is steeper, then going down the hill will be much quicker. So, a final review, diffusion is the net movement of molecules from high to low concentration through a partially permeable membrane.